Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Pima Community College, Culinary 150, Garde Manger. This is week 8, your lab 1, and I'm Chef Lolly. The topic this week is cheeses. So today we're going to make a cheese board. So I have my board, and this is how we'll start. I have 4 different types of cheeses. First, I have Port Salut. Port Salut is made by monks until 1938, and then a large company took it over. It has a buttery taste. Best wines to serve with it are Chardonnay or a light blush. Next, we have Maytag Blue. Maytag Blue is grown in caves, and it's made on a dairy farm owned by the same people who own the washing machine company. Created in caves and cellars to control humidity and molds. Takes about 6 months to age. It slowly ripens. Best served at room temperature. You want to serve this with a port or a Riesling. Our next cheese is Brie. Brie cheese is a soft cheese. Serve at room temperature. It's creamy center, buttery flavor. The rind is edible. It's spreadable. Best to serve with a red Burgundy or a Chardonnay. It's also good with champagne. Our next cheese is Romano. This is sheep's milk Romano. It's a semi-hard cheese. It's produced around Rome, Italy. Salty, nutty flavor with a little lemon tang to it. It's usually grated over pastas and meats. Served with a Zinfandel or a Cabernet Sauvignon. So we have our 4 cheeses. Spread them out a little bit. Next, we're going to get some crackers. I have 4 different kinds. I have a water cracker. A peppery cracker, which will go good with the Roquefort. We have a vegetable cracker, which will bring out the flavors of the Brie. And we have a wheat cracker. Now we have some grapes. I have Concord, green grapes, and red grapes. Move these back a little bit. Make some room for our meats. We'll put the grapes up here, I think. Now for our meats, I have prosciutto ham. Prosciutto ham comes from Parma, Italy. It is air dried, so the breezes from Parma will dry out the ham. I have some salami, which I'm going to fold a little bit. Now next we're going to add our apple. Let's scoot this aside for a second. Take our apple corer, just go straight down. Now we're going to put our apple pieces in a little bowl. And we're going to squeeze some lemon juice on them. This will keep them white, stop them from turning brown or yellow. Put our apple slices here, a little bit here, another one here, maybe another one there. Next, I have some cheddar cheese cubes. We'll just sprinkle these loosely around the cheese board. And we have our nuts. Here I have candied pecans. You've heard the expression soup to nuts, meaning the whole dining experience from soup to the last thing on a cheese board, which is usually the nuts. I have some black olives for a little garnish. Sprinkle these around. Probably want to keep these away from the grapes. We have some green olives. Some French bread croutons or crostinis. We have some strawberries. Add a little color to our cheese board. Have some sweet pickles. We'll use as a little garnish also. And we have a little mustard that we could use as a condiment for the meats. Now there's our cheese board. Cheese boards can be used as a standalone appetizer or as a dessert course at the end of the meal. We'll need our spreading knife for the brie, a harder knife for the Romano, and the blue cheese. And we have a little knife there for our Port Salut. So this is our cheese board. This is how you make it. Try not to tip the nuts over. And there we have it. Now this week, make sure you read your document about cheeses. Do the readings in the book as prescribed by the syllabus. Get ready to take your final and your final assignment. That's it for now. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed our series of classes. Happy cooking.